drops make me wet. A lubrication I lay for play in grass. Tickle my neck, your hairy chest. The grass is like your hairy chest. I roll over your hairs like they're your hairy breasts. Okay, nature, I need you right now. Not just as a friend, I mean a lover. That's it, I just can't take this no more. Every time I go outside, I see how large you are.